I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Ibotta Software, and they're looking for a data entry representative. The key objectives for this job are to accurately input and update data into company databases and systems, to ensure data integrity by verifying and cross-checking information, to support the team by managing data-related tasks efficiently and on schedule, and to assist in identifying and resolving data discrepancies. For this job, you will enter various types of data from multiple sources into the company's database with a high degree of accuracy, review and verify data for completeness and correctness before submission, maintain confidentiality and security of sensitive information, organize and manage electronic and paper files to ensure easy retrieval and compliance with company policies, collaborate with team members and departments to address data-related issues, perform routine data quality checks and report inconsistencies, and assist with other administrative tasks as needed to support operational workflows. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. Additional education or certification in data management is a plus. You must have proven experience in data entry or a similar administrative role. You must have strong attention to detail and accuracy. You must be proficient with Microsoft Office Suite, particularly Excel. Familiarity with database software is preferred. You must have excellent organizational and time management skills. You must be able to work independently and as part of a team. And you must have strong communication skills, both written and verbal. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are a competitive salary and performance-based incentives, comprehensive health, dental, and vision insurance plans. There'll be opportunities for professional growth and development. Be part of a supportive and collaborative work environment. You'll be given paid time off and flexible scheduling options, and access to cutting-edge software and technology tools. The salary range for this position is from $50,000 to $64,600 a year, and it's a full-time position. If you're having difficulty finding work, or you're not sure the steps you need to take before sending in your resume, then I recommend that you get my review guide called Resume Review Guide, the critical steps you need to take before you send in your resume. In this review guide, I share all the steps I take before sending in my resume. The steps I share have led to me getting interviewed for jobs. If you get my review guide, I believe you'll have the information you need for your resume to get noticed by employers. If you're interested in getting my guidebook, you can click on the link for it, which is in this video. The next job is with Turner Mining Group, and they're looking for an electric utilities data processor. Your duties and responsibilities include, but are not limited to, verifying and reviewing data received from data controllers to ensure accuracy, relevance, and completeness, entering data into relevant software systems, ensuring there are no errors and the data is correctly translated for analysis, creating graphs, charts, and reports to help data controllers understand the data, providing context and insights, maintaining both raw and processed data securely, ensuring it is accessible for future use and analysis, acting as a liaison between data subjects and data controllers, converting raw data into readable formats, and assisting in creating and modifying IT systems to gather and process data efficiently, ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Regarding the required qualifications for this job, you must be able to speak English. You must be able to verify and validate incoming data for completeness. You must have proficiency with Microsoft Suite, specifically Excel. You must have experience working with data management and analytics platforms. You must be able to communicate upstream, downstream, and laterally with peers, superiors, and other departments. You must be familiar with secure data storage. You must be able to follow established data security protocols. You must be able to adapt current experience to new systems. You must be able to follow existing SOPs. You must have the proven ability to work independently. You must have attention to detail and be able to work non-standard hours as required. For bonus, they would like you to have experience with various GIS platforms, familiarity with remote collaboration tools, and experience in telecom, utility, or infrastructure. The salary range for this position is from $55K to $60K, and it's a full-time position. The next job is with Conduent, and they're looking for a data entry specialist. The start date for this job is early August. The hours are from 8 to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Training will last 4 weeks. This position will last approximately 6 months during the open enrollment season. At the end of open enrollment, individuals will have the opportunity to apply for the positions within the project and/or organization. The data entry registration training will last about 4 weeks, and it will be based on business need. The class is remote. Please note that trainees cannot miss more than 8 hours of registration training. The Transaction Processing Associate 2 position pays $15.25 an hour, and the Transaction Processing Associate 2 bilingual position pays $15.75 an hour. Essential duties may include, but are not limited to, reviewing submitted applications and entering the applicant information within the Kansas Economic and Enforcement System, researching and analyzing issues and ensuring sufficient information is available to make decisions on the next steps, conducting additional searches to extract accurate data and inputting the same, completing assignments using multiple source documents to verify data or use additional information to do the work, maintaining up-to-date knowledge of regulations, policies, and guidelines, providing high-quality customer service and focusing on the accuracy of information provided, following up on pending documents involving analysis, returning erroneous electronic data forms to the customer for additional information. You'll be attending training assigned to develop and enhance current understanding of Kansas Medicaid eligibility programs and to begin to develop expertise in additional areas of determination categories. You may answer questions about the eligibility process and provide general program information for family medical and END and LTC programs. You will respond to questions courteously, accurately, and concisely. You'll be evaluating information received through a phone contact and ask appropriate follow-up questions. You will solicit additional information and evaluate the potential impact of the information provided. And you will use standard technology, and these are telephones, email, and web browsers. Regarding their preferred skills or knowledge information, they would like you to have a minimum of 6 months experience in family medical Medicaid eligibility, knowledge of Medicaid and managed care programs, active listening skills. They want you to be customer oriented and be able to adapt and respond to different types of personalities. They want you to be able to multitask, prioritize, and manage time effectively. You must possess good interpersonal and communication skills, both verbally and in writing, including knowledge of basic grammar, spelling, and punctuation. You must be willing to work as part of a team. You must maintain the integrity and confidentiality of all records and communications, and perform all other duties as assigned. In addition to this, they want you to be bilingual in both Spanish and English, with the ability to speak and read both languages fluently. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or GED equivalent. Post-secondary education is preferred. You must have a minimum of 6 months of experience in customer service, a minimum of 1 year experience in data entry. You must have strong computer skills with the ability to maneuver in complex software systems. They want you to have MS Office, Outlook, and internet usage experience. And this job requires excellent data entry skills and the ability to type a minimum of 28 words per minute accurately. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.